Shriram in defense sector. Here is a detailed summary of DCM Shriram Industries Limited and its involvement in the defense sector in India, based on available public sources. If you want, I can also provide recent news or contracts beyond what's documented already. About DCM Shriram Industries Limited, DSIL. DCM Shriram is a diversified Indian company. Its businesses include sugar, chemicals, industrial fiber, engineering, etc. It has a fairly large turnover, till 8,000 crore rupees, in recent years. Entry into defense and key activities. DCM Shriram has been expanding into defense manufacturing under India's Make in India initiative. Here are the major facets of their involvement. 1. Armored vehicles, Zebu. They have designed, developed, and manufactured multiple role tactical armored vehicle systems under the brand name Zebu. One product is the Light Bulletproof Vehicle, LBPV, Zebu, capable of operating across terrains, intended for defense and paramilitary use. The vehicles are modular, can be customized to different protection levels, e.g. Standard I or as per customer requirement. 2. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, drones. DCM Shriram has invested in the drone sector. It has an R&D facility in Delhi and licenses to manufacture defense drones. In particular, the company bought about 30% stake in Turkish drone company Zyron Dynamics, indicating a collaboration investment in drone technology. As of the last reports, their drones are in testing stage. No major scale deployments or contracts from Indian Defence Forces had been announced at that time. 3. Counter UAV, Counter Unmanned Aerial System, CUAS. DCM Shriram is working with Israeli Avnan Group Skylock to manufacture a counter UAV system, named VIP Dome Pro, or DCM Portable Counter UAV System, for the Indian market. Functionality includes detection, tracking, identification and neutralizing of UAVs, RF detector and jammer, day-night operations, high protection levels, IP67, IP66, etc. 4. Industrial licenses and authorizations. DSIL has been granted industrial licenses by the Indian government, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIP, to manufacture multi-role armored vehicles, UAV,